Hi guys, welcome back to another Dashing Diva nail review. I hope you guys are excited and let's just get into it. I grabbed an extra few accent nails and I have my top coat and base coat and we're gonna just get right into it. You can see I have my previous nails still on and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove the nails. You literally just push it back a bit and peel. The pack comes with a prep pad, and then all you do is rub it against your nails just to make sure they're nice and clean and ready. I always recommend using a base coat when doing these strips, and it just makes it last longer to me. I know people that have used these nail strips without doing a base coat and they have slightly found for it to lightly lift. So just a base coat and top coat is what I always recommend. Now you guys know the drill. I am just going to measure the strip to my nail and see which one fits best. Always go with the smaller size rather than the larger size because it won't have anything to stick to. So I'm just applying that, and what I found too is just to slightly pull it a bit to stretch it out to make it perfectly fit against your nail. Just a really cool tip that I learned because I've been using these nonstop. And then just go ahead and file down the edges so that you get a nice clean cut. And then I'm just filing around the nail to get nice smooth edges and to remove any excess strip. All right, guys, now for some fun blingness and just to spice up the nails, we are going to try these out. It's my first time. I'm just trying to see what vibe I'm getting with these. Like, what do I want to do? And I went for these cute diamond shaped ones. I'm going to apply them on both of my thumbs. And it just added just something a little extra. You don't have to do this, but since I've been obsessing with doing my nails during quarantine, this is what brings me joy. So I couldn't stop adding more and more gems to my nails. I thought it just added so much more like cuteness to the nails, a little bit more pizzazz, and it's literally stickers that you just apply. Um, it was just so much fun and so cute. I didn't even notice these cute like gold strips that you can apply to your nails. So once I found those out, I just started going crazy and adding them to like every other nail. As you can see, it was just super easy to apply. They are stickers, and you will see that I seal everything with a top coat to lock everything in. Oh my gosh. If you guys are obsessed, please leave it in the comment down below. Let me know. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I will leave everything link down below. Now you guys know the drill. I am going to take my top coat and seal everything in place. I went over the gems and the stickers and nothing happened, so it is perfect to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.